good afternoon to everyone, kids. Welcome to the today's session. As I hope in the last class, whatever we have discussed, you have understood. So, so moving further, okay. In the last class, we have learned a lot of things about French Revolution, about Regime of Terror, Robespierre, hmm, and how his administration was very strict. So people were not ready to accept that strict administration. So people started revolting against him. Even his supporters, his followers, his supporters also, for some period, they were agreeing his administrative policy, his strict policy. But after some time, even his strict policies were being became very difficult for those followers to follow in the French, uh, as well as in the French country, as well as in the France country. So once again, he was being punished and he was being guillotined. So after that, you have learned about directory rules. One directory rule, not for many years, only for some years they were ruling. After that, the due to the differences were being arised among the people, so that is why the what we will tell, the directory rule was being declined, and Napoleon Bonaparte, he's a military dictator. He came to the administration, he took over the control, and he started his own administration in the France, and he did lot of administrative reforms in his during his rule. Okay, so about that one you are going to learn in this sessions only, as well as in the next year also you are learning about Napoleon Bonaparte. So the next concept for you people means, did the women have a revolution? Did the women have participated in the revolution? Yes, from the beginning, women were active participants in the event, which brought about so many important changes in the French society. Even women have also played a very important role in the French Revolution. They hoped that their involvement would pressurize the revolutionary and the government to introduce the measure to improve their life. Okay, so if we give our contribution towards the revolution, as well as to change, as well as to introduce the government policies, the government measures, then our involvement is very much important, so that by seeing our involvement, they can pressurize the government there. So many women started working for their living. So when men were busy during that time, uh, during the period of revolution, during the period of war, which was against the uh, uh, monarchy, that is Louis 16. Even some other countries were being worried, and they started attacking on them. So during that period, the people were involving in the war, and each and every region, from each and every region, they started contributing themselves towards the nation, because they were fed up of his administration only. So from each and every corner of the France, the men were joining the war, and they were showing their anger towards the monarchy system, because Louis 16 had made a secret alliance with some other country there, like Persia, Austria. Why he made a secret alliance means, with the help of his force, with the help of their military force, he can suppress the revolutionary movement which took place in the France. But it could not. Before, they were planning to attack on the France citizen, these people only started attacking on them. Okay, so during that time, women's played a very important role. So many women started working for their living. Okay, most of the women did not access the education, as well as job training was been there. Only wealthier and rich class. Okay, wealthier means the rich people, those are having money, they were taking the education. In what way they were taking the education? Only for marriage purpose they were taking the education there. In the French society, they were studying in the convent, and only for marriage purpose, they were gaining the knowledge. And most of the people, most of the women, they were not having any job training there. Only wealthier community, as well as rich girls, they were taking the education. And if they are doing any kind of job in the France, like doing home chores, home activities in some other house, as well as if they are working in hotels, if they are working in a bakery means the wages was very less comparing to the men. Even though there certain some training were being given, the uh, what we will tell, the wages were, the income of the people was been very low. So in order to discuss and the voice their interest, women started their own political club, as well as they started their own newspaper, because they also wanted their rights, because they were not having any kind of right to vote, to stand in the election, to become a representative in the government. They were not having any kind of facility to for the voting purpose. Okay, so in order to discuss their voice and interest, women started showing interest in the political clubs as well as in the newspaper. So in the entire France, 60 women clubs were been there. So in that, a famous club was been there. How the Jacobean was the famous political club, like that for the women's also one famous political club was been there, that is called as the Society of Revolutionary Republic Women, was very famous. Okay, they enhanced, they gave the more importance for the women's rights and duties. So even one lady was been there during that time called Olympia Digos. She was a member of the society. So uh, she told to the French society what are the rights and duties should be given to the women, and how we have to equally treat men and women in the society. Whatever facilities you are giving to the men, same thing you have to give to the women also. So this demand was been raised by a lady called Olympidigos. Okay, she is an revolutionary woman. She gave more importance on rights and duties of the women's there. Okay, so okay, so in order to discuss their rights and duties, in order to discuss their interest, in order to discuss their voice, because they are not having any facility to raise their voice against the government also. So even these women's community will also have their demand. They are also having what we will tell, um, mm, their own problems, their own development, because they are also living in a society. They should also have a equal uh, opportunity for them. So that is why they started thinking, if we are having a political right means we can solve our problem, we can give some contribution towards the nation. So in this way the political clubs were being arised by the women. In the newspaper they started demanding for their rights and duties. So they raised their voice for their rights and enjoy the equal political right uh, in this in the European society as well as in the France society. But women were being disappointed that in 1971 one constitution was been written by the wealthier people. Okay, according to that one, the women lost their the women were not given any kind of facility to vote their representatives, as well as they can stand in the election. So they were been disappointed. So in the earlier years the revolutionary government did introduce the laws that helped to improve the life of the women. Before the revolutionary government, before this wealthier movement, government, some facilities were being given to improvise the life of the women there. So together with the creation of state of the schools, schooling was made a compulsory for all the girls, and marriage was made into a contract entered into a freely and registered under a civil law. The divorce was made as a legal there, and could be applied by the both men and women. Women could now, after the revolutionary government, after several years, they introduced some of the laws. After some government there, they introduced some of the laws that help to improvise the life of the women. And the schools were being opened for the girls. Each and every girl those are living in the French society, they should take the education. Marriage was made as a contract base. freely. Even men and women, they are having both the opportunity to choose their life partner if they want to get a divorce. Okay, whether it belongs to the men and women, both they can go and apply for the divorce there. It was a legal law. They can take the they can apply for the both both can apply for the divorce. And women at present, after the revolutionary government, they started getting a trained job, could become a artist, as well as they can run a small business. They can run a small business. In that way, the training was being given to the certain women. But the women's struggle for the equal political rights still was in under their control only. So during the region of terror, a new government issued a law ordering to close all kind of women club, and they banned all the political activities of the women there. So women movements for the voting rights and the equal wages continued through the next 200 years. When Robespierre administration was being there, he started controlling the power of the women there. Okay, so as a result, their right to power, right to vote, as well as equal political right was being took back. And whatever women political club were being there, all were being closed. And their rights and duties were being denied by their administration. Even Napoleon Bonaparte also, he controlled the rights and duties of the women. So as a result, the women movement started a little bit. The women movement started, the struggle was being started, and it came to an end after a long period of a time. So the women movement for the voting rights and the equal wages continued through the next 200 years in many countries of the world. So finally in the France, in the year 1946, the they got right to vote in the France. Till that, they were not having any kind of facility to vote their representative to stand in the election. So in the 1946, after the long struggle, after the long women movement, they got this right. Okay, even during the period of French Revolution, they participated very well, and in order to discuss their interest, their voice, to have a equal political right as well as equal wages, how the men are earning the money, same thing women should also earn the money if she is doing a work. Okay, but they were getting a less wages there. So when a revolutionary government was being there, they improvised the life of the women. But after the revolutionary government, when the Robespierre, during his administration, he started closing all the political clubs which belonging to the women there. He he decreased the power of the women. They should not participate any kind of what we will call it as assembly, national assembly. They are not having to vote for their representatives. Okay, in this way, some powers were being denied and some powers were being under the control. Okay, so this struggle took nearly 200 years more, because women movement uh, want to have a right to vote and equal wages, and it continued nearly 200 years in the many parts of the country. So finally in the France in 1946, women got the right to vote as well as to stand in the election. Okay, in this way, women also participated very well in the French Revolution during their tenure as well as during their period. Okay, when men were busy in the war as well as in the revolutionary activities, entire family welfare came in the hands of women. But in a successfully, she did her all responsibilities very well. She started working for their livelihood. She started earning the money to feed their family. She started taking care of their family. She started a business there. Each and everything, she gave a contribution equal to the men. Okay, when men were being busy, women immediately, all the responsibilities will come in the hands of women only. So very successfully they did, and they contributed towards the French Revolution. But their powers were being denied. So this is a very much disappointed nature also. Okay, even that kind of posh, educated and society was being there, but they were not given the equal rights to the women there. So that is why a famous revolutionary political club was being very famous during that time, and also a famous lady called Olympe Digos. So she led a movement there. She started telling what are the rights and duties of women. Okay, how we are treating the men in the society, same thing, equal status should be given to her also. They should stand in the election, they should win in the election also, that some seats should be reserved there. So in this way, the declaration of women's rights and duties were being published in the newspaper pamphlets. They started giving awareness about the women movement. But after some time, when revolutionary government, they standardized the life of the women. All the girls should take the compulsory education, training was being given, as well as they can having up they were having opportunity to take they can run a business. Yes or no? So when Robespierre came to the throne, he started controlling the each and every women movement, and he denied the right to vote. He denied the given equal status in the society. So that is why once again the movement took a long struggle there. So after 200 years, in the many part, even still today in some other part of the world, the women are not having a right to vote. Saudi Arabia, if you take the Saudi Arabia, even till today also they are not, women are not having right to vote there. Yes or no? So that is why uh, in some other countries, in the some other, even women are struggling very lot for their independence. So same thing, in France also they led a women's movement. So it nearly took 200 years. In 1946, the French women got the right to vote as well as to stand in the election. Okay. So for 1 marks, we may ask about Olympics and about what is the important role of women in the revolution. So one question will be come from this topic also. You have to be aware about this women movement. So, in the next session, today I'm going to discuss. Today I have discussed only one topic. If you are having any doubt, you can just pin your question in the uh, group so that I can solve your problem. So in the next session, I'm going to take abolition of slavery system, which was been there, and the last concept is there for you people, that is revolution and everyday life. How after the revolution, what are the changes took place in the society? I want to discuss about that those things. So in the next class, I'm going to take these two topic and I will end your lesson, that is French Revolution. Okay, so hope today's class you have understood. And if you are having any doubt, just you can pin your question in the group so that I will try to find out the solution. Feminist movement was took place in the France to have their right and duties. In the next class, I am going to explain about slavery and how the revolution changed the common people lifestyle and the basic ideas of French Revolution. How what are the contribution gave by the Napoleon Bonaparte, what is his administration, everything I'm going to discuss in the next class. So signing out, have a great day. Bye everyone, see you tomorrow.